It's taken the government a month to replace about a fourth of the banned cash, which perhaps is why the queues appear to be as long as ever. And the ATMs are still dry. But the government today said all was well. In fact, they told the Supreme Court that things will be back to normal in 10 days.
This is a video tweeted by the Law Minister. One of the many messages being tweeted by union ministers pushing for digital payments.
Digital payment is honest payment. Digital payment is accountable payment. Digital payment is transparent payment.
But despite the minister's hard drive towards cashless transactions, in the Supreme Court it had to respond to questions. The court was hearing a clutch of petitions from district cooperative banks to senior lawyers of the Supreme Court to the CPIM. The court asked what interim measures can be taken to reduce the inconvenience to people and added, if you have agreed to give 24,000 rupees a week, we assume that you are in a position to provide 24,000. The government, however, replied, there has not been even a single case of social unrest. The government has not been sitting around and doing nothing. In the next 10 to 15 days, it will be all over.
They either think that the court doesn't have any open ear or eye. Total unrest. How do you call it unrest? Means there are several riots taken place at several places. More than 100 people have died.
Alleging that the petitions in court had a political overtone, the Attorney General asked how many poor people had in fact approached the Supreme Court. 1 month since demonetization started, millions of ordinary Indians, including the poor, continue to stand in bank queues waiting to get access to their own money. In New Delhi, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.